Hello student. In your previous video lesson, you have learned about dispersal of seed. In this module, our topic is agriculture. So let's start. We eat different type of food like vegetables and fruits, and we also wear different type of clothes. We get all these things from plant and animal. To get these things in sufficient quantity, a large number of plant and animals are needed. So if I talk about plants only, plants are producers and we human beings are consumers. So we need more of them. We all need foods and plant are major source of food. So we have to grow plants in large quantity to get food and other things. So we can say the mass production of plant for food and other purpose is called agriculture. What is agriculture? The mass production of plant for food and other purpose is called agriculture. In this chapter or in this module, we only discussing about agriculture activities related to plants. There are various stages of agriculture: plowing, manuring, sowing, irrigation, spraying pesticides and harvesting. Let's learn about them. Let's start with plowing method. It's help to loosen the soil. Look at the picture. In this picture, the soil is first made loose with plow. This loose soil allow air and water to pass through easily. After that, manuring. In this method, manure and fertilizers are added to the soil to add nutrients in the soil that crops would need to give a good yield. So, in manuring method, manure is added to provide nutrient to the soil. Now, sowing. Healthy seeds are sown in the soil. As we know, plants grow from seeds. Sowing is done or should be done at proper time. Seeds must be sown at the proper time. After sowing, next stage is irrigation, the process by which a sufficient quantity of water is supplied to the crops for their proper growth. Look at the picture. In this picture, sprinkling method is used for irrigation. After irrigation, next stage is spraying pesticides. Children, when the seed germinate and seedlings come out, it is necessary to protect them from pests, many diseases and weeds. So pesticides are sprayed to protect the crops. So spraying pesticides kill the pests and protect the crop. See the picture? A farmer is spraying pesticide. Now at last, harvesting. Harvesting is the process of cutting and collecting the mature crop. Lastly, the crop that is harvested is stored properly so that it can be consumed later. So these are all our 6 stages of agriculture activities. A plant grown in large quantity to get food and other useful things is called crops, or we can say plants of the same kind grown on a large scale at a particular place during a particular time are called crops. Some crops are food crops such as wheat and rice, oil producing crops, mustard, sunflower seeds, fiber crops like cotton and jutes. All crops do not grow in all season. So, crops are mainly two types: Rabi crops and Kharif crops. So, what is the difference between these two crops? Rabi crops grow from November to April month, and they are not dependent on rain. For example, wheat and pulses. Then kharif crops. They grow from June to October month and they dependent on rain. For example, rice and maize. So these are difference between rabi crops and kharif crop. Children, soil is an important factor for the growth of plant. The soil of a particular place and season affect the growth of crops. For example, rice and jute grow better in loamy and clay soil, wheat in alluvial soil, cotton plants in black soil, jowar and bajra grow best in sandy soil and mostly grow in Rajasthan area. So this was all about topic agriculture. Read all the contents thoroughly and send your doubts, or you can ask your doubts regarding this modules and attempt the worksheet.